It's your boy Crypto Millie back with another Monday macro update. Today we're going to be talking about the crypto macro environment, what to expect this week, and of course how the altcoin market could react to the volatility from Bitcoin. So if you like videos like this, of course, be sure to like and subscribe. Consider joining the links in the description if you're interested in some of the super degen plays that I've been putting out there. I believe our we've been doing pretty well with PlayZap, so that's our crypto of the week. So be sure to check out some of the videos and also comment. Let me know your current sentiment on the crypto market. It really helps with content creation. And of course, the best comments I always work to respond to. So let's get into it, family. You can see key events this week. We got the U.S. housing starts. Of course, the Fed rate decision, the FOMC meeting, and Daddy J Powell does have to speak. We'll see if he'll give us some bullish sentiment or hawkish sentiment. And I'm interested in seeing everybody's opinion on if we get another federal rate hike, because 99% of the CME experts are predicting a Fed pause. A lot of the huge entities out there are saying that we could possibly break something if we continue to raise these federal rate hikes, even though we've been seeing inflation be a little bit sticky. Actually, I would love to check out the true inflation data. Would have loved to check this out right here, family, and see what's going on. And how's y'all week starting off today, man? How is everybody's week starting off? I'd love to know. Again, we're gonna win. We're gonna win, and we know that the next 3 to 6 months are extremely important to our portfolio as we get a step closer to the halving cycle. As you can see, since August, the inflation here has went up and continue to be sticky. So a lot of people expect Jay Powell to go off the stats and the facts, but again, we could possibly get a federal rate pause as we're seeing some some huge changes out there as far as the real estate market and things starting to capitulate. So I just want to have a little bit more time to DCA into these good cryptocurrencies, of course, but usually we get volatility headed into the FOMC meeting. So to keep it simple this week, most likely will be all about the FOMC and the decision that they make. We'll continue to monitor the DXY as it continues to go higher and has put in a higher high. So you can see here the DXY putting in a higher high. No telling how long we can hang up out here. I mean, last time we hung up out here about 21 days. So this can affect the cryptocurrency market from a total standpoint as the US dollar continues to rise here and inflation continues to be sticky. Most people think that we are either near a recession, in a recession, or the recession most likely will not happen. So let me know where you stand at with that inside the comments. But just keeping it all the way subtle throughout the video, because you want to pay attention to what Bitcoin is doing here. I've been paying attention to Bitcoin for a while now on the weekly charts as the Gaussian channel here has turned green. So I'm very very bullish on the price action that we're seeing here from Bitcoin. As far as the bull market support band, we did break that, but we're starting to get bullish momentum here, especially from the stock RSI as it curls back up. That blue line has curled over that orange line, and you can see Bitcoin is ready to make its next move. It will be interesting because we did put in a lower low here. So what we would want to see, if we're technically bullish, is we want to see us pull back ahead of this candle here, and also family put in a higher high. The Bitcoin dominance did rise, which is a good thing, and I love the fact that the Ethereum is bullish on the Gaussian channel, but under the bull market um support band here. But most importantly, we want to pay attention to the total altcoin market, because I know a lot of people are knee deep into altcoins. So we got to eventually break this bull market band for altcoins. Altcoin season just isn't there yet, but the higher the Bitcoin dominance rises, and maybe it gets to 50%, 60%, the more likely we can start to see that altcoin rally as the dominance lowers. So right now, this is the best time headed into the our halving cycle to just start, loading up your chips. A lot of people will lose, man. A lot of people would lose. I put out a Twitter that said I'm not working to be anybody's favorite influencer. I just want to see people win. And a lot of people will lose because of being naive in the cryptocurrency market, believing that projects that they bought at the peak of 2021 will reach back to those heights. And 90% of the time, we've seen from historical data that just will not happen. So be prepared for new narratives, be prepared for new cryptos under these new narratives, and just be prepared to have that liquidity to enter the market, because most of these developers are thinking we're getting close to the halving cycle. Why would I drop this great project that I'm developing in bearish environment, right? They want to drop these bullish projects that they're putting out here. They want to execute in a bullish environment. Think about all the cryptocurrencies that dropped in the bull run, right? The Shiba Inus, the Polygons, Solana. You feel me? They were able to do exponential gains because it was perfect timing. We had a bullish environment, new crypto, new narratives, new utility, and the project, as far as from a development standpoint, had people actually interacting with the chain and developers actually developing on these chains. So get your altcoin bag together. I can't tell you exactly what to buy, but just do your research, do your due diligence on some of these narratives and some of these cryptocurrencies. And I believe if you put yourself in a position to have an open mind in the crypto space, you will win. I think a lot of closed-minded people, a lot of these people that's loyal to these specific cryptocurrencies will lose. And I'm seeing a lot of these groups in meme coins, right? Groups like elite groups in meme coins, and I wouldn't follow them. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you these groups could be wash traders, just traders or bag holders that want you to continue to be connected to that project as it falls and become exit liquidity from them. Because or whales, sometimes these groups have just whales that put out or make you feel less than yourself if you decide to move on, sell, or take profits. So just be cautious in these crypto communities, family. We don't owe anybody anything, and the devs don't owe us anything as well. You feel me? Crypto is PvP. So as much as they make it feel like family, crypto at the end of the day is PvP. When somebody buys, somebody sells. When somebody sells, somebody buys. I also, keep an eye on the VIX here. Again, the VIX is at a key level where you'll start to see a lot of the stock market and also the cryptocurrency market really, really turn around the lower that the VIX goes. So if we can get the VIX around 13, man, we could be very, very close to that volatility index level where we can start to see not just stocks, but cryptocurrency rise. The Bitcoin chart here is telling us that we, are nearing the halving cycle. So these next 3 to 6 months, I can't stress it enough, family, will be very, very important. So do your research, follow the channel, like and subscribe, man. Y'all let me know what y'all current sentiment is in crypto. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.